So the definition of resistance is the barrier to the flow of charge. It's symbolized by like three zigzag thing like this. So in a circuit, if you see something, so this is a battery, and then like this, and then this, and then like you see something like this, this is what it's called the resistor. So actually there are three things that affected resistance. So first, it's affected by the total length of the wire. So for example, if you have a longer wire comparing to this, so this wire will have more resistance comparing to this because it's longer, so it travels like in a longer path comparing to this. And then second, it's also affected by the width of the wire. So for example, if you have two wires, one is this big and then the other one is this big, like in this wire, there is the presence of lower amount of resistance because of how much space there is. Like in here, there is more space for like the electrons to move comparing to this one over here. That's why like over here, the presence of the resistance is lower comparing to the ones over here. Last and importantly, it's also like the material. So I mean like resistance is affected by the material, and then there are many things like metals or like copper or bronze. There are many other things. This actually, the different material that you will use as like the resistor determines the more or less resistance to the flow of charge. So people may be curious why we need a resistor in a circuit. So resistor is very, very important in the circuit because it limits the current so that things won't burn or explode. So for example, in a circuit, right, this is the battery, and so here, let's say that over here there is a light bulb, whereas over here there is a resistor. Okay, so the current flows from the negative terminal and then to the resistor. So this resistor, actually it's where the electrons are like bouncing like over here, here, and here, and that's to like limit the flow of the charge so that this light bulb won't explode. So if you actually, so like if the energy flows more than the voltage it could accept, like it could burn or explode. So this resistor, like it avoids for the light bulb to explode. That's why resistor is important in the circuit.